Hello dear friends. Welcome to my new video on the Smart Assistant channel. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to adjust the privacy of your story on Facebook so that only your friends can see its content. Properly managing privacy settings is crucial for maintaining control over the information you share on this social network. Stay tuned until the end to learn. Well, let's get started. First, open your Facebook application. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner of the screen. Once you've done that, now tap on the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. In this section, scroll down, find the Stories option, and tap on it. Now, in the Story Privacy section, tap on a Public, then tap on the Friends option, and then Save. Great, now your story can only be seen by your friends. Very easy and simple. That's all for this video. If the video was helpful, please like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, see you soon.